Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be buying a bunch of eggs because so they have a platypus egg and a chick egg and falcon and those things, but these are the two I really want. So I'm gonna be buying a bunch of eggs hoping I at least get one of them. And yeah, this is gonna be horrid because I don't know, like, if I were to get a platypus, I'd want like that maybe. Hold on, because I like don't know how the patterns are gonna be. So that would be the out. Ooh, that looks nice. Would like end up being like so. Yeah, don't really panicking. Like, how is this gonna work out? Okay. Um, inside. What? What is this? Okay, I'm just like trying to see which colors will be on the outside and okay, pet dolphin. Outside, inside. Okay. The top is the outside, in is inside. Okay, so I'm gonna try for the platypus one. And it's gonna be those two colors. With those eyes and I wonder if you can like get a glitch. To like see which one you were gonna get. Well, actually there was a glitch on that. Okay. Ooh, okay. First one, I hope it's a platypus. Hold on. Let me just... That was, a fashion contest, okay? This was another fashion contest. And another, hold on, I do a lot of fashion contests. And... Okay. I'm gonna pick this. Okay. That was weird. Now let's see if I can get a chick. I'd want the chick to be that color. Oh god, this is gonna end out horrible. Yes. Look, I have a little egg. Okay. And I guess let's just do more. Oh no, what is this? No, thank you. And so, okay. So I'm just gonna keep on doing these with, yep. Oh god. Okay. Plain. What happens if I just do that? Wait. Okay, that's right. Bye. That looks normal. Okay. I'm gonna go for another one of these. And... Yep. So, I'm just buying a bunch of them. Outside, inside. Okay, and that's it, because I'm running out of diamonds. Let's go here. So I spent 15 diamonds on 5 eggs. 2 of them I made the exact same. These ones I hope are platypuses. These ones I hope are chicks. But they could be crocodiles or falcons, or pretty sure it said what else you could get, or crow. I mean, oh, OMG. So I'm gonna make another video on when they hatch, and yeah, stick around.